In today's world, where the number of people affected by chronic illnesses continues to rise, conversations around preventative health have become more urgent and relevant than ever. Among the voices leading the charge in integrative medicine and nutritional science is Dr. William Li, a Harvard-trained physician, researcher, and best-selling author known for his groundbreaking work on the body's natural defense systems, especially as they relate to cancer. In a compelling presentation, Dr. Li lays out an evidence-based roadmap for reducing cancer risk and boosting the body's healing abilities through science-backed nutrition and cutting-edge therapies. His approach is both practical and deeply rooted in the latest medical research. Rather than focusing solely on treatment after diagnosis, Dr. Li offers a proactive view of health, emphasizing how ordinary foods, lifestyle changes, and novel medical innovations can help protect the body before disease has a chance to take hold. This expanded article delves into 5 core areas covered in Dr. Li's presentation: how the immune system acts as the body's natural cancer defense, why controlling angiogenesis is key to halting tumor growth, hidden danger of visceral fat, and the role of inflammation, how personalized cancer vaccines could change the future of oncological reflections, empowering your body to heal itself. Let's take a closer look at these 5 pillars of cancer prevention and understand how each one offers a unique pathway to a healthier, longer life. 1. The immune system, your first line of defense against cancer. Understanding the body's surveillance system. Dr. Li begins by emphasizing a powerful truth: your immune system is not just a protective barrier against infections, it's also a sophisticated surveillance system that constantly scans your body for signs of cellular abnormalities, including cancer. Under normal circumstances, immune cells such as T cells and natural killer NK cells detect and destroy cancerous cells long before they form dangerous tumors. However, this remarkable system can be compromised. Poor diet, chronic stress, lack of sleep, smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and environmental toxins can all impair immune function. According to Dr. Li, one of the most important ways to maintain a healthy immune response is through targeted nutrition that fuels the immune system and supports its efficiency. Gut health and the immune system. A major point in Dr. Li's discussion is the gut microbiome, a vast and dynamic ecosystem of trillions of bacteria residing in your digestive tract. These microbes influence almost every aspect of human health, from digestion and mood to metabolism and immune function. Approximately 70% of your immune system resides in your gut, making it a central hub for immunity. Dr. Li highlights Akkermansia muciniphila, a beneficial bacterium known for its role in maintaining the gut lining and promoting immune balance. Research has shown that higher levels of this bacterium are associated with better responses to certain cancer immunotherapies. Foods that support Akkermansia growth support the growth of Akkermansia muciniphila. Dr. Li recommends consuming foods rich in polyphenols, prebiotic fibers, and healthy fats. Here are some examples. Pomegranate contains L-argitannins that nourish beneficial gut bacteria. Cranberries, rich in fiber and antioxidants, supporting microbial diversity. Green tea offers catechins, powerful polyphenols that modulate the immune response. Mushrooms, e.g., shiitake, maitake, contain beta-glucans known to enhance immune activity. Incorporating these foods into your diet regularly can help optimize gut health and, in turn, fortify your immune system against cancer. 2. Angiogenesis, how tumors hijack the body's blood supply. What is angiogenesis? Angiogenesis is the process by which the body forms new blood vessels. While this process is essential for wound healing and reproduction, it can also be manipulated by diseases, especially cancer. Tumors, like any living tissue, need oxygen and nutrients to grow. They achieve this by hijacking the body's angiogenesis mechanism to build a direct blood supply to themselves. Dr. Li refers to this as one of cancer's most cunning strategies. If unchecked, this vascular network allows tumors not only to grow rapidly, but also to metastasize or spread to other parts of the body. Diet's role in regulating angiogenesis. Good news is that certain foods contain natural inhibitors of angiogenesis. By consuming these foods, you can help cut off the fuel supply to potential tumors. Dr. Lee emphasizes the importance of polyphenols, a class of plant-based compounds with strong anti-angiogenic properties. Here are several polyphenol-rich foods that help regulate angiogenesis. Green tea matcha or sencha contains EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, a catechin that can inhibit abnormal blood vessel growth. Blueberries and blackberries, high in anthocyanins and flavonoids that support vascular health. Red grapes, especially when eaten with the skin. Grapes provide resveratrol, a compound known for its anti-angiogenic and anti-inflammatory benefits. Turmeric, its active compound, curcumin, has been shown to suppress angiogenesis and tumor proliferation. According to Dr. Lee, adding even a handful of these foods to your weekly diet can help maintain healthy blood vessel formation and reduce the risk of cancer development. 3. Visceral fat, the inflammatory danger you can't see more than just belly fat. Many people associate fat with cosmetic appearance, but Dr. Lee warns of a far more serious issue: visceral fat. Unlike subcutaneous fat, which sits just under the skin, visceral fat accumulates deep within the abdominal cavity, surrounding vital organs such as the liver, pancreas, and intestines. It is metabolically active and can produce inflammatory molecules that wreak havoc on the body. How visceral fat fuels cancer. Dr. Lee explains that visceral fat acts like a silent saboteur. It releases cytokines and adipokines, pro-inflammatory chemicals that impair immune function and stimulate cancer cell growth. Chronic inflammation caused by visceral fat creates an environment where cancer can thrive. Additionally, studies have shown that people with higher levels of visceral fat have a greater risk of developing breast, colorectal, pancreatic, and liver cancers, even if their overall body weight falls within a normal range. Reducing visceral fat through diet and lifestyle. Fortunately, visceral fat is highly responsive to changes in diet and exercise. Dr. Lee recommends the following strategies: increase fiber intake. Foods like oats, chia seeds, lentils, and leafy greens help flush excess fat and support gut health. Embrace plant-based polyphenols. As mentioned earlier, these help reduce inflammation and fat storage. Engage in moderate intensity exercise. Walking briskly for at least 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week, can significantly reduce visceral fat. Limit refined sugars and processed meats. These not only contribute to fat gain, but also promote systemic inflammation. Dr. Lee emphasizes that losing even a few inches of waist circumference can dramatically lower cancer risk by restoring immune balance and reducing chronic inflammation. 4. Personalized cancer vaccines, the future of precision oncology, a new era in cancer treatment. Dr. Lee shifts gears to discuss one of the most promising developments in modern medicine: personalized cancer vaccines. Unlike traditional vaccines that protect against viruses, these are therapeutic vaccines designed to target cancer cells that already exist within the body. Thanks to advancements in gene sequencing, artificial intelligence (AI), and machine learning, scientists can now decode the specific genetic mutations within a person's tumor. With this information, they can create a custom-made vaccine that trains the patient's immune system to recognize and destroy cancer cells without harming healthy tissue. How personalized vaccines work. Here is a simplified breakdown of the process. Tumor sampling. A biopsy of the cancerous tissue is taken. Genetic profiling. Scientists use AI and deep sequencing to identify the tumor's unique mutations. Vaccine development. A personalized vaccine is created to teach the immune system how to identify and eliminate the cancer cells. Immune activation. Once administered, the vaccine stimulates the patient's T cells to launch a targeted attack against the tumor. Real-world impact. Clinical trials have already demonstrated encouraging results. Patients with certain types of melanoma and lung cancer have responded positively to these vaccines, with some experiencing complete remission. According to Dr. Lee, this personalized approach may become a standard part of cancer care within the next decade. particularly as more data becomes available and technologies become more accessible. While still in its early stages, personalized cancer vaccination represents a major leap toward individualized medicine, empowering each patient with a treatment as unique as their DNA. 5. Final takeaways. Empower your body to heal and defend itself. As he concludes, Dr. William Li brings the focus back to what each person can control right now: how we eat, move, and live each day. He reinforces several critical points. Your immune system is your strongest ally. Keep it sharp with nourishing foods, regular movement, and adequate sleep. The blood vessels in your body can either feed or starve cancer. Choose foods that support healthy angiogenesis and shut down tumor-feeding vessels. Visceral fat is more dangerous than it looks. Prioritize reducing it to lower your overall inflammation and disease risk. The gut microbiome is not just about digestion. A healthy gut fosters a healthy immune system and supports longevity. Medical innovation is accelerating. From AI to vaccines, science is offering new hope for prevention and treatment. In Dr. Li's view, prevention is not passive. It's active, powerful, and backed by science. The choices you make every day, what you eat, how you manage stress, how much you move, are foundational to long-term health. Conclusion. Nourish to flourish in a society often focused on treating illness after it arises. Dr. William Li's integrative and preventative approach serves as a refreshing and empowering reminder: the human body is capable of extraordinary healing when given the right tools. With a deep understanding of how cancer develops and spreads and how food, lifestyle, and cutting-edge therapies can intervene, you are better equipped to protect your health and take charge of your future. So, what's on your plate today? With the insights from Dr. Li, it might just be your most powerful form of medicine.